Hey, welcome to Neversink Farm, and you just got your bubbler. So I'm going to show you how to set it up, and it couldn't be easier. It just couldn't be easier. Just going to pull out all the parts. You have your blower, tube, switch, and the blower itself. All right, so that's really it. Okay, and then you'll have a couple of pipe clamps. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just get your pipe clamps onto your hose, and then just slide it right on here. Okay. So you get that side connected. You just got to remember to put it through the base. I'm going to show you at the tank what that does. And go ahead and attach it to the blower. Okay, let's bring it over. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I would do is just get this mounted. See this little hole here on the Rubbermaid tank, and there's a pin inside. So just make sure that pin goes through the hole. Now this will go right in the center of the tank. Then you can pull some of this out of the way. Right? So you just get one single line down to the blower. Okay, and then just take your switch, plug it in. Okay, so one pointer is, when you have your tube in here, just make sure that this isn't crimped at all, right? So if you have it and it's like this, you want to make sure that you have it so that you have a nice, so the tube is open, you're not crimping it at all, and then it will continue to work absolutely perfectly.